boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. I'm out today battling the elements in our second day of this Congress people that are buying uranium stocks. We're digging deep into the congressional records here, the House and Senate Ethics Office records, ladies and gentlemen. We're digging deep. And we're finding out. I've been doing this for a few years, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to make any enemies or anything, like that. But you do have a right to know which uranium stocks your congressmen and your senators and all are buying. Those people, you have a right to know. It's part of the research I do. That's why I come up with such great stocks. This is just a part of it, I've been doing this for years, ladies and gentlemen. This is not nothing new for Mickey D. And the scoop. The Stock Scoop, ladies and gentlemen. Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. Thank you for watching those shows, especially for watching our special on Bitcoin, that last video. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I got some flack for it. A couple people, hit me. I was, thank you, Reg, Katifa, thank you. Those that reminded me of that one that rebranded, and thank you guys very, very much. I appreciate that. Appreciate it very much. I promise you the list of those uranium stocks that have been bought in the last couple years or so. Just straight list. I'm just going to give you the symbols, and you do your own research, ladies and gentlemen. That's how I'm going to get down. That's how I'm going to get down. But the congressional trading activity, I can confirm, has heated up. And if you watch part one, you'll see which stocks that they're buying right now. Which stocks are being bought up right now. You'll see that. It's some good stuff, ladies and gentlemen, good stuff. I want these to be short, and I want them to be sweet. Because the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not here to play stockbroker or anything like that, ladies and gentlemen. But over the last 90 days, we've noticed an uptick. Make sure you hit like and share. Share, ladies and gentlemen. Hit like and share. A lot of noise out there. But I'm gonna give it to you 100, like I do. So if you unemployed, all non-void, walking around like your pretty boy Floyd, whatever, I'm here for you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here for you. I ain't going nowhere. It's Mickey D. I ain't going nowhere. I'm going nowhere. Okay, they tried to take me off because y'all was making too much money at one point in time. But it ain't gonna happen like that. Got another dog behind me. At least he got him on leash. I made a comment about a dog here the other day. My mom saw the video and she said, "Hey, you better not, say that about people's dogs. But when they don't have leashes on and they have teeth, they can bite." But anyway, yeah, there's been an uptick, ladies and gentlemen, and we're following it all the way. The congressmen and the senators are not going to make all the money. We're going to make some also. Let me start with the producers. Developers, ladies and gentlemen, key to this right now because they're going to be making money hand over fist, all right? That's the key. That's one of the keys. Producers, developers. Let's start with CCJ, UEC, NXC, DNN, UUUU, URG, EU, BOE, and PDN. Did you catch that? Do I have to do it again? Rewind it, ladies and gentlemen. You'll see it again. Hold on 1 second. I'll see. I'll run through them once again so you can write them down. CCJ, UEC, NXC, DNN, UUUU, URG, EU, BOE, PDN. Those are producer developers. Over the last few years, congressional records show they have purchased them. Not Mickey D. You ain't gonna listen to me. But, well, I take that back. You do. I appreciate you, all of you, ladies and gentlemen. But there's some butt heads out there that just don't get it. They don't see Bitcoin changing, and we see it all the way. They don't see Hut 8. They think it's never mind. That was another video. But anyway, those are the producers. What about the royalty companies? And we're going to get to the ETFs. The royalty companies that Congress has bought in the last few years, ladies and gentlemen, the last few years, Congress has done very, very well. These are traders that they go, they go to the meetings, and right after the meetings, they say, okay, I'm going to buy some of this, I'm going to buy some of that. Royalty companies, fuel companies. We're talking about UROY, UROY, LEU, LTBR. UROY, LEU, LTBR. Now, you know what time it is with those companies. No, I do not own, I own one of them. I do not own the other two anymore. Of course, I sold early. Well, that's kind of what I do. I sell early. Get that nice little chunk in there. LEU, I wish I would have held on to that one. I had sold it maybe $15 or $20, man. Wow. Well, when you get it at, under $5, you can do those kind of things. But anyway, let's go to the ETFs, ladies and gentlemen. ETFs. Let's have a little more fun. ETFs that Congress is buying and has bought over the last few years. This is the last few years, not the last 90 days. You know about Cameco, Constellation, and NextGen over the last 90 days. We can confirm that there have been 7 Congress people that have bought them over the last 90 days. But these are ones they bought even before that, ladies and gentlemen. And they don't like to report this stuff. Believe me, they don't like to report this stuff, but they do. The ETFs that Congress has bought: URA, URNM, SRUFF, U.U, which is SPUT. The adjacent list is for SPUT. So you got SPUT, you got URA, URNM. Those have been reported buys by Congress, ladies and gentlemen. Not Mickey D. Congress. Okay? Congress has bought those. Not me. Not me. Congress. So you can listen to whoever you want to listen to. Mickey D's doing the research. I'm doing the homework. I'm doing the dirty stuff. I'm getting it for you, ladies and gentlemen. And I think with How to Buy Uranium Stocks Now, the book 2020, that book, ladies and gentlemen, that turned a lot of heads and got a lot of people into uranium, I think that was good. And I think we were right on the target, not with the companies that they're buying right now, that's in the other video, but the companies they're buying, they have bought in the past. So it's all good. It's all good. That's the way I look at it. It's all good. Yep, I want to thank you guys for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor. I don't take you lightly. This is the best YouTube audience, subscribers around. Some people say, well, Mickey D, man, with the stuff you put out, you should have 3,000 or 5,000 or whatever. Hey, that's not my thing. I'm about you. See, you listen, you make money. That's what this thing is about. It's not about Tom, Dick, and Harry. I don't need a million views. See, I do this when I can. See, I'm doing the research. I don't have all these bells and whistles and all this stuff. I don't have anything against anybody that has a bells and whistles show, but you want the information. So I'm gonna waste my time, my money, my effort going to some of these conferences and stuff. I'm gonna get you the information. I'd rather spend it on that than a studio filled with bells and whistles that's just hot air. Yeah, I'm not saying nobody's like that, but I'm giving you the facts. I'm giving you the facts. So the facts speak for themselves. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I want y'all to know that we are right on the right track right now. Pullbacks 20% plus in uranium. I told you guys years ago, I said this is going to be a long trade. When I told you to get those stocks at pennies on the dollar, I told you to plug your nose and buy uranium stocks. Like I'm telling you to plug your nose right now and buy another area, ladies and gentlemen. It'll be in the Baby Knockout newsletter. You got to plug your nose, though, because these stocks stink right now. Let's face it, man. Cameco at $8 Cameco was stinking up the joint, right? It's over $100 US, 120, right now. Sure, and I use the same strategy that the .com strategy that I've told you guys about, that, that 500 to 1,000 shares for the ride. Yeah, I've been selling Cameco up, and that's about where I am right now. 500 to 1,000 shares, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm not going to sell anymore. The last buy was like at 20. So I'm done with Cameco. Even though it's the number one out there, I'm done with it. Done trading with it. We don't chase them. We replace them, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we do. So you guys take care. I'll give you a list. Maybe tomorrow I'll give you another list. This is the Mickey D list. This is the practical list that Congress should be buying right now. This is the list they should be buying, and it's probably the list they're going to be buying here pretty soon. I'm going to give you that list. You guys take care. Love you. God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. I don't take you for granted. I love all of you. Believe me, we've been together so long. It's like we know one another. I come to your house, so you come to mine. It's all good, ladies and gentlemen. It's all good. You need strength, you need guidance, you need energy, ladies and gentlemen. Look up, because that's where it's coming from. It's coming from up there. I heard a guy the other day. America's kind of losing its way, man. It turns away from God. It's losing its way. That's a story for another day. We do have Operation Urgent Fury going on right now. We're at war. There's war in Europe. My friends in Europe, they can't even get a hold of me. They can't even see the show from time to time. Mickey D, do a show on this, do a show on that. I'm gonna get to you. I'm gonna get to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's tough out there. It's tough out there, and I know it's tough out there. But anyway, to the men and women in uniform, get your meals, get your exercise on, keep your head on straight. It's tough. I know. It's tough. Love you. God bless you and your family. Salute you. Carry on.